podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat, heading to the restaurant, The Crown on the Old Market Square. Come on, come closer, and let's take a look at the menu. Among the menus offered, have you noticed one called the Julia Child menu? Well, know that there is an unusual story behind this menu. Julia Child is an internationally renowned American chef who lived from 1912 to 2004. She is known for being the pioneer in the United States in presenting French cuisine and cooking techniques through numerous books, such as her most famous work published in 1961, Mastering the Art of French Cooking, and television programs such as the show The French Chef, which began in 1963. Married to Paul Cushing-Child, the couple left for Paris in 1946, where her husband introduced her to the taste of French cuisine. And it was in Rouen at the Crown restaurant that she ate her first meal in France. On the menu, oysters, sole meunière, and a bottle of Pouilly fumé. Some time later, she said that the meal had been a culinary revelation, which she described to the New York Times as an opening of her soul and her spirit. It is for this reason that today, the restaurant La Couronne offers the Julia Child menu in homage to this great lady. If you want to know more about Julia Child, I invite you to watch the film entitled Julia and Julie with Meryl Streep, released in 2009.